Hi everyone, it's me Zarina as always, your friend from Malaysia. Apa kabar? It has been so long that I have not been updating the blog or even the YouTube channel. Maafkan saya. I have been busy with work and will start creating contents again. Today we will learn questions and interrogative expressions in Malay language. There are 6 of them, not that many. Let's take a step back. Imagine a toddler about 2 years old. In order for him to gain new vocabularies every day, he needs to ask. He has observed all he could when he could not speak before, and when he starts saying things and learning new stuff, he will continuously ask anyone around him. So, we shall do the same. We are babies, or not. The first and the most important interrogative word in Malay language, in my opinion, is apa or apakah, which means what or what is. Let's look at some example phrases that use apa or apakah. Imagine that you are at a market and you don't know the name of a thing, like whatever it may be that you want to buy. You ask the person selling the thing, apa ini? Which means, what is this? This may sound too stiff to my ear because we hardly say ini unless it is really for official work like the newscaster, reporter, or in a really formal situation like when you are with a king or someone highly respectful. So we normally say, apa ni? Ni is a contraction of ini. So you may hear this spoken many times everywhere. In case you want to be respectful to the person you speak to, you may call the person's title like Sir, Madam, Miss, etc. For example, Cik, Encik, Puan, apa ni? Which means, Miss, Sir, Madam, what is this? Or if the person you speak to is younger than you, whether a man or a woman, you may say, Dek, apa ni? Which means, young man or young woman, what is this? Dek is actually a contraction of adik, which means younger brother or younger sister. It is normal in Malay culture to call another non-family related person with a term of endearment like this. Other examples, Kak, apa ni? Which means elder sister, what is this? Bang, apa ni? Elder brother, what is this? Makcik, apa ni? Auntie, what is this? Pakcik, apa ni? Uncle, what is this? All the above phrases are highly colloquial. They don't sound offensive though, so don't worry. Use them to sound more colloquial. Another way to ask is adding kah, a suffix used with any interrogative words. You may omit kah and the phrase still means the same thing. For your information, the suffix kah is normally added to interrogative words, as you will see with the rest of the other interrogative examples in this lesson. Next is apakah ini? What is this? We usually use kah in formal work like in newspaper, broadcasting, programs, and etc. If you want to ask for the name of the thing, say, apa nama ni? What is the name of this? Or, apakah nama ini? What is the name of this? Both means the same thing. If the thing that you want to ask is nearer to you, use ni or ini. But when the thing is further away from you, then replace ni or ini with tu or itu, which means that. As you have thought, ni is ini with letter I omitted from the word, and the same goes with itu. In communication, you may use ni or tu, and you are not considered rude. But if you are with a total stranger, ini or itu are preferable. Once you are with familiar faces or close acquaintances, you may use ni or tu by all means. Okay, let's look at some real-world example. The phrases below are from a famous Malay drama called Nur from its highlight of episode 1. The link is here. At 0.06 seconds, Adam, hey, apa ni? Adam, hey, what is this? Referring to his action with his brother. At 0.48 seconds, soalan apa tu? What question is that? The second interrogative word that we are going to learn is kenapa or mengapa, which means why. The phrase below is also from the same drama Nur from its highlight of episode 1. At 1 minute 0.53 seconds, kenapa tak masuk dalam? Why didn't you go inside? The phrase in Malay can be translated in present tense of English too. For example, why don't you go inside? But this will suggest that he recommends that she goes inside instead of standing outside of the hall. Using past tense will mean that he questioned her action of staying outside instead of inside. I hope you get what I mean. Kenapa versus mengapa. Both means the same thing. Kenapa is mainly used more in colloquial speech. In formal speech and writing, both are used interchangeably. The third interrogative word is mana, di manakah, which means where. The phrase below is from the same Malay drama called Nur, but from its highlight of episode 3. The link is here. At 1 minute 0.31 seconds, habis tu, mana dia? So, where is she? If you realize the interrogative word mana, di manakah, could be in any position in a sentence. For example, if you are looking for a toilet. Di mana tandas? Where is the toilet? Di manakah tandas? Where is the toilet? We seldom ask properly like this, which means using the prefix di and the suffix kah. The most colloquial way to ask is like this. Tandas kat mana? Where is the toilet? Or kat mana tandas? Where is the toilet? Or tumpang tanya, mana tandas? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Kat means dekat. Literally means near. We use this contraction mainly to be added to words indicating direction, location, position, and many more. Kat mana, which means where is it? The position of the interrogative words can be situated either at the end or at the beginning of the sentence, like in the examples mentioned. Let's move on to the next interrogative words, which is siapa, siapakah, siapa. All of them mean who in English. Let's dive in straight into the examples. Siapa ni pa? Who is this dad? Siapa is a colloquial word of siapa, while pa is a contraction of papa, an English word. Siapa awak, or kamu, or kau? Who are you? Siapakah Perdana Menteri Malaysia? Who is Malaysia's Prime Minister? Again, siapa, when added with suffix kah, is normally used more in formal situation and in writing or literature. Let's move on to the next interrogative words, which is bila or bilakah. All of them mean when in English. Some examples. Kita ni bila lagi? Hey, when is our turn? Bila you sampai? When did you arrive? Bila hari jadi awak? When is your birthday? Let's move on to the next interrogative word, and is the last one, which is bagaimana, macam mana. All of them mean how in English. Some examples. The phrase below is from the same Malay drama called Nur, but from the highlight of episode 3. At 1.36 seconds, aduh, macam mana boleh hilang? Sheesh, how could she disappear? Other examples, kamu macam mana? How about you? Macam mana live tadi? How was the live broadcast just now? Here on is an example of a mix of English and Malay words in a sentence. In Malaysia, we do mix our sentences with English. This phenomenon is called as rojak, which means mixing of many stuff. It is actually a name of a local delicacy as in the image. Bagaimana versus macam mana. Both means the same thing. Macam mana is mainly used more in colloquial speech. In formal speech and writing, bagaimana is frequently used. Well, that wraps up our lesson for today. Macam mana pelajaran hari ini? Which means, how is the lesson today? Are you interested in speaking Malay colloquially? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. All details are in the description box down below. Do you find anything that you need to know more from the lesson? If you are, don't forget to check out the blog at ilearnmalay.blogspot.com for complete transcription of this lesson. You may also download this lesson in PDF form in the blog and other previous episodes too. Don't forget to leave comments, questions, or you may comment at this YouTube video as well. Well, that's it for today. I hope that this lesson helps. Sampai jumpa lagi.